What's going on, everybody? I just want to break this video down for you. As you can see, these two deer in the top right corner were coming into me pretty strong. The one in the front, you could tell he knew something was up. Like you see, as you get here, he gets pretty close to me, and he kind of realizes he smells something, then he goes back. But this guy definitely stayed. So he ended up getting a little bit closer, but not a lot closer. But let's just listen in.
It's 8:00 a.m.
Yes, my alarm went off, and when I did shoot, I shot the deer right in the antlers. I don't know if he dipped or what happened. So, but this is the deer that was in front. He was still alive and kicking the next day. But, as always, I thank you for watching. I hope you like and subscribe, and good luck this season.